This thing is pretty cool, or it was pretty cool. I made it to read comics in my bed. It got a touchscreen and it's actually an old laptop mangled together into this beautiful old book. Now I'll be using the screen for something else. Okay, maybe I can use the batteries. So, to use the old screen, I just put in that number into AliExpress and got this thingy. It's a driver board for the screen with the HDMI output and power supply input that makes the screen work with everything. And that's almost all the hardware you need. To make a nice case for it, I measured everything and put it into 360 Fusion, where I made all the parts and started printing them out. And as with everything, nothing works the first time, but I think I have all the parts I need now. I just need to remove a lot of support. Support. Not the best prints, and maybe not the best idea to just glue them together, but superglue goes so fast. In the future I might have a better solution for getting everything together. Now the screen. I hope this is the right way. Yes. To actually show something on the screen, I'm using the Raspberry Pi 3A or 3B. Anyway, to power everything, I'll be using this one. It gives 12 volts to the driver board, but I also want this to power the Raspberry Pi. And for that, I'll be using this small step-down converter. It takes voltage in and regulates down to whatever voltage I need. In this case, I will use this to get 5 volts into this one and simultaneously power this one with one quite nice looking power supply. Okay, let's split this one into this and this. 5 volts, a little about perfect. This thing. So the problem here was I'm not too happy about the seams and parts. It's not so nice and the glue place is a bit ugly. I did try a couple of times to make the cut lines into a feature, make it a visual thing, but it did not turn out any good. So what I did was I bought this instead. So away with this, we mount this into this. So I'm using a DAC board. It is pretty good. It allows the Raspberry Pi to boot straight up into DAC board. There are a lot of other software, but I like DAC board because it's quite simple to use. It's cheap, got a free tier, and you can customize it somewhat. Family plan, different persons, it syncs to our different emails, and it's color coded. This is probably the best device I've ever made. The whole family can watch it, the kids can watch it, everything is good, everything laid up. It's updated automatically through different kinds of APIs that goes to all different services. Best project. Hope you like it. Subscribe and all that stuff. Cool.